Hello my friends, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are on process video 215 entitled Christmas Joy, and this is my fourth layout from the December 2019 Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. It specifically features the papers from Photo Play collection called Kringle, and I'm also adding some items from the embellishment add-on kit, which is I believe the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet from that same collection. So this is also my layout for the recipe for this month. If you are a subscriber for the Flavors of the Month kit, you will get a Word document showing how to recreate this layout from start to finish. So this one has a lot of photos, and I usually, if you have been subscribing to my channel for a while, you know that I love multi-photo layouts, but specifically when it comes to double page layouts, I feel like because you have this big canvas, why not fill it in with photos? And so that's kind of what I take advantage of the big space. And that's what my focus is lots of photos, and of course stories, and with the journaling, and then also the title. So if you'd rather see a lot of products, yeah, you won't see that here in this channel, but this also gives you an idea of ways. If you don't have as many photos as I do, you can always replace some of those spots with pattern paper. I've done that before as well. So this one, I am actually going to use my photos as my bookends. I've done that before. I actually have a class. I don't know if it's still up. It's been a while since I've had that class, but if you look into my my link for my channel, I believe that the class is still available for purchase there. But it's basically my kind of go-to designs for creating double page layouts. So anyways, I love making bookends, whether that's from paper or layouts. Or papers rather. I feel like creating a bookend especially for a 2-page spread, just makes it, balances it out and makes a cohesive design. So I'm using 4 photos on each side here to create my bookends. And then I'm filling in the spaces with photos and papers in the center. And so I pre-printed my journaling, and so I have that in a block right here, and I'm going to put that on the top right. And then I'm kind of additioning some of these die cut and tags that came with the mini kit for my title. At first I thought that maybe I can use the black frame to house my title, but there wasn't a title or a sticker that was available for me from the sticker sheet that I can use within the parameters of the frame. So I'm going to not worry about that. I did like this buffalo check tag, and so I'm going to put that on top of my my journaling block, and that's gonna again be in the right side. I also added some scallop borders to the black paper, just to give that a little bit of interest, because there's a lot of strong or just straight ridges from the rectangles that I have in this layout that I felt like it needed a little bit more curve and some roundness to it. Now I'm going to use that Christmas as part of my title, and then there was a tag that said joy, and I'm going to use that to complete my title. There was also some twine, and I'm going to use that for the dot of the hole rather of the tag. And I'm also going to put the twine in another place in the layout, just to kind of give it a balance and make it look better, because it's going to be showing in a different part of the layout. So I'm not sure if you have seen my, I think it was process video 213 that I had mentioned, but this will be my last video and my last layout as a design team member for the ScrapRoom Kit Club. I know it's very sad, and I feel sad stepping down. However, I feel like I am in a different season of my life. I do work outside of the home now, just part-time, not full-time, but I feel like with that new job and all of the other things that I'm doing, I feel like I needed to step away from certain things. Note that if you are a subscriber in my YouTube channel, I still plan on creating content for my YouTube channel. It's just that I feel like it's high time for me to step down in a kind of creating items from a kit. Not necessarily that I don't like the kits. I have loved the ScrapRoom Kit Club kits, but I feel like it's time for me to delve a little bit more into my own stash, and that's kind of my goal for 2020. So if you want to follow me along with this new goal that I have of using up my stash, make sure that you subscribe, and so that you'll be notified when I have my latest videos. And if you also have some ideas for me to ideas for when I want to do like those mini series that I have done before, if you have theme ideas for me to do, let me know in the description box below, and I will take that into consideration for when I create my next mini series, which is hopefully sometime sooner than later. My plan is that I will go back to doing more handmade cards, like creating a kit and then making cards with it, and also my mini series. So again, thank you so much for supporting me and for supporting my shares with the ScrapRoom Kit Club. If you want to learn more about the ScrapRoom Kit Club, make sure that you check out the description box below, because it will have a direct link to the website. And I hope that you continue to support Rochelle, because she's doing a great job with her kits, and it's always packed chock full of products. And so yeah, I hope that you will continue to support her in that store. And I will catch you guys another day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.